Hello people, what's going on? It is I, Rachel. I'm on my morning walk and I sort of got tired because it's too hot. So I stopped to have a break and to breathe and to drink some water. Anti batugamba nti omuntu toliira mu kkubo. So sometimes it's quite difficult not to drink a little bit of water whilst you are on the walk. But what I wanted to say is that, hey ho people, get out. Life is good. Get out and see the world, see nature, look at nature and appreciate what God does for all of us in different ways. I'm sitting right in front of this tree. As you can see, this tree has been scored in so many ways. When you look at it, in the first instance, you see the scars, but what you don't see immediately is the homes for wildlife, the bees, the worms, the all sorts of insects that live in these scars of this tree. So it is with our lives, you know. Some of us, when people look at us, they see the scars and they call us all sorts of names, you know. But what they don't see is the wisdom that God has given us through our experience. God scars us. It doesn't scar us, but He scores us, He sculptures us to a state, a usable state for, not for ourselves, but for other people. So whatever you might be going through, if people see a scar, try and see a home, a harbor, a stronghold for other people. And for those people that God has put in your care, your responsibility, and yes, there is always something else to learn out of your negative experience. There is always something to give out of your negative experience. So hey ho, I'm just gonna continue on my lovely walk in the sun. It's quite hot. It's extremely hot today, but I will survive. I'll keep on drinking my water and my other things. Ribena has not sponsored this this broadcast. So have a lovely week and God bless.
Listen to my words, O Lord. Consider my life.